She is falling. Everything is overwhelming. She's just trying to get by without breaking. She's flying too close to the sun and falling too hard. She is sinking in quicksand and no one can pull her out. She spirals and hits the ground. Broken bones, two black eyes, she still won't make a sound. The monster in her mind tells her, you're ugly, you're stupid, everyone will leave you. You're worthless, they hate you, you don't deserve their help. It's not true. She is flying. Everything is just perfect. She's blissful and nothing can tear her down. She doesn't care what you say now. She's made up her mind. She spirals and hits the ground. Broken bones, two black eyes, she still won't make a sound. A light shines through this blackness. She sees it, she reaches, she finally found her worth. Maybe asking for help wouldn't hurt. She's here now, lying in her bed, thanking God that she's alive and working.